Did you know that according to HealthDay News, 1 in 8 people suffer from sensitive teeth after whitening? It may not seem like a big deal to those that don't suffer with the after effects, but for those that do, it's a serious problem. People who experience sensitive teeth after whitening shouldn't have to suffer from whitening treatments and be stuck with a less than desirable smile. Let's look at one of the safest ways to whiten teeth. Sensitive teeth after whitening occurs for a variety of reasons, but the main one is that your gums are being exposed to the treatment. Gums are not teeth. The anatomy of gums is completely different from teeth. They are two different body parts and respond differently to textures, chemicals, and substances. When whitening gel from teeth strips or light rays from blue light whitening treatments hit your gums during the treatments, they can become puffy, sensitive, sore, or even begin to bleed. This is a red flag that your whitening treatment is not working correctly or that you are over whitening. Whitening strips can slip off and their gel can come into contact with your gums, making them sensitive or damaging them, and the whitening lights can blast your entire mouth. If your gums are fine but you're still having sensitive teeth after whitening, then you are probably using a whitening treatment that is too strong. Teeth are protected by their enamel, and when that wears down, they can become extra sensitive to hot or cold liquids or other substances like whitening gel. Some whitening kits offer just one whitening gel for all. That may work for most people, but for those that suffer from sensitive teeth, it's not worth the risk. Sporting Smiles offers 2 different types of whitening gel with their custom whitening trays. The 35% carbamide peroxide is the industry standard when it comes to whitening treatments. But for those that want less strength to prevent sensitivity, Sporting Smiles also offers 22% carbamide peroxide, which is perfect for those who want a little less strength but still want those white results. While whitening kits like blue lights, white pens, and whitening strips can expose your teeth to extra gel or harsh treatments, custom whitening trays are designed to protect your entire mouth. Wearing custom whitening trays will encase your teeth in protective trays that the gel is placed into. When the gel is into contact with your saliva, it will foam and whiten the backs, front, cracks, and crevices of your teeth. The bigger benefit of whitening trays for sensitive users is that the trays also protect your gums. You won't need much gel in the trays because it foams up and the trays encase your teeth, so it's very difficult for the gel to escape from the trays and land on your gums. This is a protective measure that will whiten your entire smile while still keeping your gums safe from the contact of gel. Sporting Smiles has been in the business of crafting custom whitening trays since 2009. We've helped over 1 million people brighten their smiles, some with sensitive teeth, which is why we offer the 22% carbamide peroxide. Along with the safety of your teeth, you won't need to leave your home with free 3-way shipping. Just order the patented impression kit from Sporting Smiles and take impressions of your teeth before sending them back to the state-of-the-art dental lab. Sensitive teeth after whitening occurs when the gel is overused or the enamel of the teeth have been worn down by strong treatments. Sporting Smiles and the custom whitening trays offer a safe option for those who suffer from teeth sensitivity but still want that perfect white smile. If you have sensitive teeth and you'd like to try a new whitening treatment, all you have to do is click the link below.